I know these are difficult days, but here's what I also know. I know we can steer ourselves out of this crisis. That's who we are. That's what we've always done as Americans. A band of patriots gathering together to fight against the tyranny of an empire. Those who fought and struggled against slavery. Those who struggled to make sure that everybody had the right to vote. We fought, we struggled before. Our nation has faced difficult times. We've stood out in the midst of storms and bad weather. But at each of those moments, we've risen to meet the challenge because we've never forgotten that fundamental truth that here in America, our destiny is not written for us, it's written by us. Fight against every regulation. Well, what we've seen over the last few weeks is nothing less than the final verdict on this failed philosophy. And I am running for President of the United States because the dreams of the American people are too important to have 8 more years, 4 more years, 1 more year of this nonsense. It is time for change in America. Enough is enough. It's a commitment I make to you. This is the kind of change we need. Bottom-up growth, innovation that will advance the American economy by advancing the dreams of everybody. Now, I understand times are hard. This won't be easy. The storm hasn't quite passed yet. Sometimes the skies look cloudy, and it's dark, and you think the rains will never pass. But here's what I understand, that as long as all of us are together, as long as we are all committed, then there's nothing we can't do. That's why we started off this campaign saying, yes, we can. That's why we understood that black, white, Hispanic, Asian, Native American, young, old, rich, poor, it doesn't matter, we're all Americans. That our destiny will be shaped by us. And this young generation that's out here, the young people of America, understand that the clouds, these too will pass, that a brighter day will come, that if you're willing to work for it, if you're willing to roll up your sleeves, if you're willing to lock arms and march and talk to your friends, talk to your neighbors, make a phone call, do some organizing, yes, do some community organizing, then I promise you, Fredericksburg, we will win Virginia. We will win this general election. And you and I together, we will change the country and change the world. God bless you. And God bless the United States of America.